If your KitchenAid mixer runs but doesn't spin, there's a plastic gear inside the strip. The plastic gear is about $7. After dismantling, we'll go ahead and put this new gear in. The gear's held in by a steel pin. Line everything up and tap the pin in. Reinstalling everything has a few issues. As you reinstall everything, all the gears have got to mesh in. Trying to get all the gears in the right orientation. You may have to move the shaft and kind of move the gears around. This assembly screws on with 3 screws. To get this big gear in, you're going to have to remove the shaft, or at least move the shaft and move the gears. We'll place the gear in and then push the shaft all the way through. There's a little pin that goes into the shaft and needs to be pushed into the gears. Here's that little pin. It pushes into the gear. Slide the shaft around until it pushes into the gear. Now these gears turn, but everything's still going to have to mesh when you put everything back together. Turn the shaft with a small screwdriver until everything meshes. Now you can lightly tap everything together. The rest of the assembly is just like you took it apart. As you're putting everything together, everything's going to be really greasy on the outside. As you put everything together, just make sure that everything meshes. This part connects with another pin. It takes quite a bit of pressure to get this pin out. We'll put all the decorative trim back on. Attach the mixer to the base, snug up all the hardware. We'll tap on the metal chrome ring. We'll give everything a test. The mixer lives again. We'll finish putting everything together. Clean all that grease off so it looks like a mixer again. The gear's now replaced.